This one is pretty stinking cool. All right, so this is our first 2014 Fiat 500L. This is a four-door, get it right, four-door Fiat 500. So it's got a lot more headroom, a lot more leg room, a lot more passenger capacity. It has navigation, it has Bluetooth, it has backup camera, it has Sirius XM, it's got the touchscreen radio, it's got all of your amenities that you're looking for in your modern day car. It's got tinted windows, it's got beautiful wheels and tires on the outside. It's a great color combination. It's got the kind of a forest green exterior with camel brown and black interior. It's a fine looking little car. It's got around 90,000 miles. It'll get you about 30 miles a gallon on the highway, if not better. It's got keyless entry. We've got 2 sets of keys for this car. Automatic transmission. It's ready to go. So come on by and take it for a drive. Thanks.